Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy Excel sheet to another Excel file without losing formatting. Let's get started. Ever wondered how to extract a single worksheet from a sales workbook and create a brand new workbook with just that one sheet? It's a common issue. Previously, some would copy the entire workbook and then tediously delete unwanted sheets. There's a quicker way in Excel. Here's the swift and efficient method. Simply right-click on your desired worksheet tab, select Move or Copy. In the drop-down menu, choose New Book. Check the Create a Copy box and hit OK. You now have a new workbook containing an exact replica of the original worksheet. The original remains untouched, but you've effortlessly extracted the necessary sales data into a new workbook. That's it. A quick yet handy tip on how to copy a worksheet and craft a new workbook from it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.